This is the Aroeve air purifier, and it was sent to me as a free sample to test and review it, so you don't have to. Let's look at the top and see the features it has. This is the power button to turn it on and off. Next, you can change the speed of the fan. The A stands for automatic, so it turns on and off when needed, and display off turns off the display. The lock button locks the display. With the times button, you can let it run a certain time, and with the reset, you can reset all the previous settings back to default. The clean air comes out on the top, and dirty air gets sucked in on the bottom. So make sure you keep it clean. This is where clean air comes out. Now you can see it a bit better. So let me tell you about this colored oval on the top. Green means that the air you are breathing is clean, obviously. When it turns to yellow, then it's not so great air, and if it is on auto, it will turn on. If it is red, well, you know what that means. For example, when I start cooking, it always turns red, so I usually turn it off while cooking. See the cat hairs being sucked in on the bottom? Always make sure to wipe them off. Let's change the filter. Turn it off. Unplug the power cable on the bottom. Open the back where the handles are. Ooh, dirty filter. Another reason it turns red. You can order some more filters on Amazon or clean this one. Pull the tab and take it out. This is what it looks like without the filter. Now take the clean filter and plug it back in, close the lid, and you're done. I'm really happy we got this. I don't sneeze as much as I used to, because the machine filters out the cat dander and the hair, and the air is so much cleaner. I absolutely would recommend this air purifier. It does work for us better than I could have hoped for.